20 Filipino English vocabulary words. Number 5. Masarap. Delicious. Ito. This. Alam. Know. Or knowledge. Bago. Before. Or new. Malayo. Far. Di kalayuan. Not so far. Malapit. Near. Nagsalita. Spoke. Talked. Mayroon. Have. Possess. Mahaba. Long. Maikli. Short. Pag-asa. Hope. Hiling. Wish. Balak. Plan. Nakita. Saw. Upang. So that. Biglang. Suddenly. Isip. Think. Or thoughts. Nag-isip. Thinking. Marinig. Hear. Learn with Teacher Queen. Thank you for learning.